Next, we will discuss about the multiple DES, conventional encryption algorithm. Okay, so why we need encryption multiple DES algorithm is, so if we consider that if the key size is only 56 bits, then we can find out the attacker can easily evaluate the 56 possible keys by using the brute force key search algorithm. Okay, by using brute force key search algorithm, he can easily identify which is the key because only 56 bits will be using as a key size. So to avoid this, we will be using the 2-bit DES first. Okay, two times the DES. Okay, so you have know the DES algorithm, so it will be using the initial permutation and 16 rounds will be using different keys generated by a key generator, and lastly final permutation will be done on the DES algorithm, right? So same method we are using two times, so here the ciphertext will get by using the two keys also. Okay, so first we are using, so this is our plain text. We will applying the key 1, we will applying the key 1 and encryption algorithm of DES on this message. Whatever the result we got on that, again we will apply the DES algorithm by using the key 2. Okay, so this is the, when we do twice we will get the ciphertext. So this method is used only when the key size is very small. Okay, now the similarly decryption can be said to be decryption. From the decryption will get message M. So decryption key 1, decryption key 2 and C. Okay, now C is our ciphertext, whichever the text we got from the ciphertext, and decryption key 2. First we have to use decryption key 2 because this is our last operation. Reverse order we have to do, no. So this we have to apply first. We have to decrypt this message. Then on this result we have to apply the decryption key 1. Okay, then we will get our plain text or our own original message. So this is the concept of 2DES algorithm or double DES algorithm. Okay, now 2DES also called as a DES into DES algorithm. Okay, this is called as a product cipher obtained by the composition of two ciphers. Okay, and the complexity of this one will be 56 into 2. 56 into 2, that is 112 bits security. Okay, now again we will be discussing about the attack method, which is called as a meet in the middle attack. So why means, it can be shown that such a cipher can be attacked by an attacker method. So to avoid that, which is also called as a meet in middle attack, and 3DES algorithm. Okay, so 3DES, what is 3DES algorithm? There are two implementation of 3DES algorithm. First implementation is we are using the three keys, that is K1, K2 and K3, and we are obtaining the ciphertext for the message C is equals to DES by using the K1, DES by using the K2 and DES by using the K3 and M. Okay, so now on the message we are applying the K3 and we will decrypt the message. Again on that, again encryption is going on. Okay, ciphertext. So again we will encrypt the message. Again by using the K3 we will encrypt. So 3 times we are repeating the same process, the 16 round process on the message. So then only we will get the ciphertext in 3DES algorithm. And the second implementation is by using the two-way implementation. Okay, here we are using only two keys. Okay, the first which one I explained, no, that is by using three keys, and the second one, what we are doing, what is the difference is, here we all the thing is encryption only we are doing, but here in the encryption process what we are doing, the on the plain text, first we are applying the encryption process by using the key 1, normal DES algorithm. Again we are using the inverse DES algorithm by using K2. Okay, and again inverse DES is going on here. In the middle we are using the inverse DES. Again on that, by using another key, we are again encrypting the message by using DES algorithm. Then never get the ciphertext. So first here our plain text will be converted into another plain text, so that we'll call it as p text 2, again plain text 3. So there are three intermediate plain text will be generated, or intermediate cipher text will be generated in middle of the process. Okay, so in the middle we are using the inverse DS, so it is called as a meet in the middle attack. Okay, if they crack this, they can easily hack the message. Next thing is, there is no need that we have to use the three keys here. We can use the only two keys. We can at the end, last one, we can use it as K1 also. So same process, but last we are using the K1. Now the revised process is, here we are using the decryption process. Okay, cipher text to the plain text conversion. So firstly we are using the decryption process N. Next, encryption inverse process, that is inverse encryption DES algorithm. Then again decryption. Then you will get your plain text. Okay, so this is the process of the multiple DES algorithm. So they didn't give much in the textbook. So if you can write this diagram and explain. Okay, simply you can write this diagram and explain if they ask for more marks. Okay, so here they said that the key K1, K2 are the same, then we obtain the single DES only. Means if you are using the same key repeatedly, then there is no need of applying the algorithm again and again, because the cipher text will be same for the same key. So here we have to use different key when you are doing the encryption as well as the decryption here. Okay, that is the point here. And next thing is, this backward compatibility of two key version of 3DS is a reason why the middle layer is decrypted. So backward decryption, why we are using decryption? Because of this one, of two key versions. Okay, then the reason why the middle layer is decrypted, it has otherwise no security implementation. So why we are using this method? To improve the security of the algorithm. Okay.